Hello guys, this is Elizabeth Colvin with Single To Do. Thank you for joining us today. We're going on our sunset kayak cruise. Our instructor is Tanya Walker, and she's the owner of Black Women Who Kayak Plus. She has various experience in all types of water sports and is a certified instructor. She trains globally. Check out her website at blackwomenwhokayak.com. But today our group had different degrees of experience, and we also had a person that had never kayaked before, and she did so great. You know, we learned how to put on our life jackets properly, where the straps don't have a gap on your shoulders. We learned how to adjust the foot pegs and the paddles, and how to steer the paddles so you can glide through the water, and to do this safely, you know, and check it out. Check us out. We were really having fun as we were coasting down the lake. The breeze was nice. It was just great to just relax, guys.
All right, guys. Well, I'm Tanya Walker, and I am the founder and president of Black Women Who Kayak Plus. Thank you for coming and definitely allowing me to give this time for you guys to do a little kayaking tour. Miss Elizabeth and her daughter knows a little bit more about this area, but I know about kayaks, anything you need to know. But so today we're going to be going out in my kayaks, some of my kayaks. I have a fleet of 16 total. For you, I want you to go ahead and you're going to pick this kayak right here. Just a tad bit. Oh, I'm so sorry.
What are the pegs for?
Pegs to basically give you leverage when you're pedaling. Okay. Okay, now see.
Sharon.
Is that too far out for you?
No. Hey Jeff, we're so glad that you're part of Single To Do. I hope you are enjoying this beautiful evening and enjoying going down Lake Travis. We're so glad to have you a part of Single To Do, as you've been a part of most of our events. I hope you have a really great evening, okay?
A little bit, yeah.
We're having fun.
Yeah.
It's such a beautiful... We're having fun.
Yeah.
It's such a beautiful day, and the water is a little choppy, but not bad. No fierce waves. Cruise.
I love the sunset, first of all. That was just totally amazing. I just brought it in. My favorite part was learning how to kayak for the very first time. The techniques helped me get through this beautiful view of the lake.
Oh, awesome. I had a wonderful time too. Sunset cruise.
Oh, I loved it. It's always nice to be just hovering above the water and feeling the beauty of God, the wind on your face, rolling with the waves. It's just wonderful. I loved it.
That's www.singletodo.com and the number 2.
Awesome. We're having a great time kayaking on Lake Travis, and our guide is Tanya Walker with Black Women Who Kayak Plus, and she is an amazing guide. And just check out our photos and video of our kayak excursion here on Lake Travis. Single to Do. Have a wonderful day. Bye. A part of Single to Do.
Absolutely.
Now we got to put the kayaks back. Lauren, did you enjoy yourself, baby?
I thoroughly enjoyed it, and with all of our crew members, it was amazing. Like, I couldn't ask for any better members to go with today.
You know, kayaking builds the upper core, and you're just never too old to learn something new. You know, building the upper core is good for your posture, and kayaking is one of those things that it builds the core, and you learn how to paddle from your core, not from your arms. And that's what her instruction was so great, because I am an experienced kayaker, and I learned a lot just from learning how and why and when to do certain things. We all had dry bags for our personal items and a whistle because safety was number one. But overall, it was a perfect way to end a Sunday afternoon. You know, and we're going again in a few weeks. And we also will be doing an excursion for sailing on Lake Travis. So check us out on singletodo.com. Check out our forum. We're going to have pictures, things to do on the water within Texas. And we also will have some trips that we'll be letting you guys know about that's scheduled for 2023. And check out our tech classes. But at any time you have any questions, just ring us a bell below, comment, chat. By any means necessary, we're here for you. Have a great day. Bye.